Hello, welcome to the course of IPv6. So today we are going to discuss about the neighbor discovery process. So here in ICMP version 6, it is also used for the neighbor discovery process. So let's discuss about this. In this class, we will discuss about what is a neighbor discovery, and after that we will discuss about its utilization and improvement in IPv4 protocols. So here the neighbor discovery. So neighbor discovery is specified in RFC 4861. So here this neighbor discovery is a combination of different processes like address resolution protocol, ICMP router discovery and redirect protocol, neighbor unreachable detection and the duplicate IP address detection. So here this neighbor discovery is doing a lot of work that in IPv4 is done by separated protocols. So here the address resolution protocol is to resolve the IPv4 address into the IPv6 addresses and simultaneously, and vice versa. After that is ICMP router discovery and redirect. This is the messages that we have discussed in next lectures. So after that is neighbor unreachable detection, that the neighbor to whom we are sending the message, that is in between the source and destination, is reachable or not unreachable. So this will detect the unreachable detection. After that, duplicate IP address detection. This will identify if there are two IP addresses that are similar to each other. So it will detect the duplicate IP address in the network. Next part is a function of NDP, that is the neighbor discovery protocol. So the first is neighbor discovery. So here this will discover or find the nearest neighbor in the source and destination route. Then it will discover the router. After that, stateless address auto configuration. It is used for this configuration stateless address, and then is address resolution. Another part is it is used for the neighbor unreachability detection and duplicate address detection. Last one is the redirection. So these are the various functions of neighbor discovery protocol. After that, the utilization of neighbor discovery. The first one, its utilization is for the auto configuration. So it will do the stateless auto configuration of the IP addresses. Next one is the information regarding network prefix or route configuration is given by the neighbor discovery protocol. Next is to detect duplicate IP addresses. It is done by neighbor discovery, and to regulate the addresses of node at layer 2 on the same link. It is also done by the neighbor discovery. It will find neighboring routers to forward the packet. It will track the reachable and non-reachable neighboring nodes, and it will find changes in link layer addresses. So these are the utilization associated with the neighbor discovery. That is what is the improvement that we've done in IPv4 protocols to make it able to do the neighbor discovery protocol. So first of all, we have done the router discovery add to the base protocol, and then we have done the router advertisement contain link layer addresses for the router and prefix of a link. Then the resampling of a network is done by neighboring discovery. It is also provide the IP authentication and security in the network. Then is multiple prefix are assigned to one link and one particular link in the neighbor discovery process. Next part is neighbor unreachability detection, NUD detects the failed connectivity and not send message to the unreachable neighbor. Then the request above the hop limit value of 255 is not processed, and router advertise MTU on the link. And router advertisement also enable the stateless address auto configuration in the IPv6 protocol. So these are the various improvements that we have done in IPv4 protocol to make it efficient in IPv6. Next one is there is a 5 type of neighbor discovery protocol. The first one is the pair of neighbor salutation and neighbor advertisement message. Next one is pair of router salutations and the router advertisement message, and last one is the ICMP redirect message. So about this we will discuss about in next lecture. So this is all about neighbor discovery protocol. Thank you.